on Facebook. This is how let's call Avocado door-to-door services. This is what I'm working on today. 3 areas. The bedroom. They had a little pet where they have 2 little friendly buddies. This is area number 1. Let me show you area number 2. Nothing major, just a little accident here and there. I'm gonna set up and do the pre-spray. Y'all can see, this is the master bedroom and the living room. This is the third area over here. This is the 3 area. I'm gonna go ahead and set up my pre-spray and get it done. I only seen one little dark blue spot in one of the room back here. Wish I can get that out. Blue spot is a light blue spot right there. So, see y'all in a few. This is Alex Carter with Carter Door-to-Door Services. Now I'm going to do the walkthrough with the client and see what they say about it. Okay? Here we go. Ms. Turner, you want to take a look and tell me what you think? You want to start from the back or the front? Either way. This is the back. Look brand new. There you go. Yes, as long as you have the, be careful, have the fan on. Let me try to put this fan on so you can circulate the air. That will dry within about 2 to 3 hours usually. Yeah, I figure I get one of both approval is fine. I saw your pet had a little bit of toys under the couch, behind the couches. And this is the living room. I slide everything forward, did it, and put it back. I put deodorizer, but I didn't put it too strong. I tried not to. Guess I didn't know. Okay. Ms. Turner, you seen it? Tell me what you think.
I saw the bedrooms. It looked good. This is a room that needed it.
Okay.
We're living all the time. Oh, yeah. Big difference already.
And like I was telling Mr. Turner, I try not to put too much fragrance in there, but everything look good? We're fine. Okay. Look at it. They're ready. They're ready to get it back on it.
How long should it be before we do get back?
Give it about 3 to 4 hours.
Okay.
As long as you got the air on.
Come on. Come on.
As long as you got the air circulating. Yeah, she ready to get on it. Hey, little baby. Come here. No, don't run.
Still
Yeah.
saying that you